So what's up guys, we're back for another video. So I did some stuff off camera again. So yeah, so today my goal is to cut down some more trees. Like I did upgrade it. We did do a little bit of remodeling. Oh yeah, we gotta go water these guys. And we're gonna barn build somewhere over there. Let me go make sure to feed these guys first, cause I forgot to do it yesterday. As you guys can see, I was going over my last video's recording, and it didn't even give me all the wheat I needed. Hay, which means I only get 1 egg today. But that's iridium quality because I leveled up all my chickens to be maxed out. So yeah, all these chickens are at max love. Look. Okay. Wait, chicken, I think I forgot to get you, or can never forget. Tyrone. It's just okay. So then yeah. Let's go water my crops. After go mix some mayonnaise. I think I had some mayonnaise in the thing yesterday. Let me go fix something. Nope, I did not have any mayonnaise yesterday. Well, you know what the good thing is though? I've been stocking up on my eggs. Where do I chest? Farming chest. I should use that. Okay, we're gonna put that all the way over here. Okay, so then we're going to tree right here. And yeah, so yeah, I really remodeled this part of the farm. So we're gonna water this in my strawberries, the most profitable, second most profitable, because the most profitable crop, I would say personally, would be if you're an artisan and you're selling ancient fruit wine. That's overpowered. I do gotta work on some stuff later, so this video will probably only be like max 30 minutes, which still would be longer than my other videos. I might make a secondary part to the every fake Minecraft speedrun because I realized I shot trash the last one was. Wait, okay, and I think is that all of them? Yeah, I was gonna make sure. Yep, that's all of them. I can see with my eyes. Okay. Oh, look guys, they're done. A lot of them are done. Let's see how much iridium gold quality. Ooh, guess what, bro? We got them. We can finally do the thing I needed. Okay. We got the spring quality crops. Let's see if you guys are done. Nope. You guys are definitely done. And are you guys done? Yes, okay. But we need to get some crops. So we have new parsnips, new potatoes, green beans, and I made a mistake, so now I can't even get to like a few of them, but that's fine. I don't really need high quality ones, so yeah. So let's go. We need to go to what place is it called? Okay. So we need. Where did I put all my parsnips? Okay, it's in one of these chests. I might have put it in resources. Nope. Where the heck did I put these? Let me go fix this. Parsnips. Yeah, I got some ancient tree seeds. I got a third one, like, all the way up here in one of these chests. I might put my parsnips in one of these. I got some coconut wine. Nope. What about here? No, I cannot find where I put these things. Dang, see, I got one more right here, so that's 3. I think I'm gonna start growing them in, like, 9 days. Oh, we get some melon seeds, so we don't spend as much in the summer, so I'm not really worried about my money right now. Not as much as I usually think for the next verse. Where did they go? 9. I swear I had 2 in one of these chests. Okay. Oh, I can't really do anything about it. A few more are growing, so yeah, I should get some. I'm gonna check if I accidentally sold them. I don't think I did, at least. How about check this chest right here? Bruh. I had 5 of them and they're just gone. I put them in one of these chests. Okay. So let's go back to the one floor. Let's go to Perry's to see if I accidentally golden him. But it decreases by a lot each day. So there might not be any golden quality left. Okay. If I sold it to him, I'm not really the most unlucky person because 6 few more days and boom, the rest are done. I'm trying to get the artificial back alive, come back, that's super catfish, not come out. I don't think am I gonna level? Let's go to my skills. Skill. Yeah, level 10, level 7, so level 7. Yeah, we still need to get these up, especially these 2. Okay, where is it? Dang, he doesn't have any more. Okay, well, I guess we're just gonna have to, we can get the backpack upgrade, but I don't really recommend it for me right now because, yeah, let's go up to, where is it called? Oh yeah, I gotta go sell some stuff. So we got some of this from, donating or something, I'm not sure how about it. It was just, got it. It's Shane's birthday, I don't really care. Oh crap. Let's see when someone had 2K about his birthday. Okay, nah. No, all the ladies in this thing are not really the best choice. Dang, what's this dude? The first mountain air is so nice, damn. No, my shame, brother. Okay, I guess I don't have anything here, so we're gonna have to go up. Let's just... Ooh, the bread. Did some good jobs today. But if I get the 1 in 500, I'll be happy right now. Hey there, I'm looking for a big wad, big bug guts. The juicier the better, at least that's what crabs seem to like. 100 pieces should be the same. I got the urge to make my famous giant omelet, but I'm 2 dozen eggs. Dang, bro, I'm not donating any eggs though. They're my eggs. I can turn them mayo and get so much money. I guess where's the other trash cans? I think I already did that one. Yep. Let's go see what Granny and everyone is doing. Okay, no one cares. Okay. So it looks like we're going to the mines to go kill a bunch of bugs because I need more ancient seeds. So we're gonna sell these, and these, and these. What did I just... Oh, I guess I made more than 250k on my farm. That's and on the 3rd year that kind of sucks. That's my first time, so yeah. Yeah, bro, you're too old to understand video games, even though you're in a video game. So we're going to the mines to go kill some buggy bugs. I need them for their ancient seed dropping chance because they have a low chance of dropping it, but that you can still get it from them, which is a good thing. Which means these bugs have probably been there for ages. We'll go see what Linus is doing. I'm happy by myself, you know. I don't need any friends. Bro, I'm literally 3 hearts with you, bro. And you still be treating me like that. That's just rude, bro. Like, dang. Wait. Ooh, I already have one of these donated to the museum, so like, no need for it. So you can put practically any item in the sewing machines in this game. I think it's okay. Bugs, you're gonna start getting juicy deals. Oh, ooh. So like I think my next playthrough we're gonna go to the mines. Okay, nothing here really. Bruh. Okay. Oh, there. My luck probably isn't good today. Going like the cheap, basically the cheap mines, the easy mines, the wish mines. We also need to get 100 jelly because it's slime. We need to get 100 slime so I can finish a bundle at the community center. Okay, bro, like dogs. Only on hardwood in it. Nothing. Some bug meat, I don't really care about that. I just care about the ancient seeds if they have a chance of dropping. I probably might get more attempts the farther I go, so yeah. I should probably start on layer 25. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. There it is. What do I not need? I already went iron hunting. Nope. I got an instant seed, bro. First one. Okay. Dude, get out of here. I'm going instant seed, honey. The more instant seeds I get, that means the more instant seeds I have for next month. And if I get speed grow plus, it should take until 21 days. It gives me a bunch of weeks. It gives me like 6 a week. Okay, and I think that's it for here. Okay. Oh, never mind. There's some of this. I'm also getting some iron bars so that I can make like, what is it? Where is it? I need to make a bunch of these. Okay, I've already got a bunch of wood. I just need a bunch of copper. So we're gonna like level 30 since not level 30. Is level 30 fine? No, I don't think level 30 is fine. Yeah. Level 25 is I think the most I can go. That's probably the best time. Have you guys ever heard of floor resetting? I think I could do that. And oh, there. Okay. Okay. Nothing really that special here. If I needed purely copper, I've gone to level 30. Chances. Oh, there they are. No seed. Let me just make sure. Nothing. Okay, I guess there's nothing to do with that. Some copper. Starting 7:20 p.m., bro. Now I should probably get those geodes. What do I not need? I do not need this ancient seed. I'm joking. I do not need this. And then I do not need, I got 40 jelly. I mean, I do not need that. If I wanted, all of those are really important for, what's the name? Bro, get out of here. Wait, oh yeah, I needed that for, was it, it's not over here anymore? Oh, I got it. Let's get rid of that bug meat. Where is it? Bug meat, eat my bug meat. No, 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 no. Okay, we got it. Okay, we need these. These right here are kind of important. I mean, yeah, you can put them in the gem-o-matic. Oh, that's important. I already have one of these. I don't really care about them. Even if they fell for a lot, I wouldn't care. Okay. Boop. Bro, they have a really low chance, I guess. I haven't got one in a while. 8:20 p.m. already, dang. Good thing the mine is right next to your house, basically. Okay, we need to check for some bugs. Bugs. Where are you, stupid bug, bro? Like, you guys were once so kind of hard to kill. Because you guys are just fly while you're just doing something and then you don't have time to pull your weapon. That's why I always keep my weapon right here when it's a pickaxe. Okay, there's this right here. I don't care. Ancient seed, so ancient seed. Okay. I got something in my hand. Sorry. Ooh, some buggy bugs. Right next to this jade. Whatever. Oh yeah, I couldn't run. Bruh. Stupid lady. This stupid bug, bro. Oh, there's some. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna be done soon. Don't do that to me, game. Okay. Okay, I guess we're gonna be copper mining now. Bruh. Okay, and what's that? I just did something really cursed. Ooh, look at that. It's just time to leave. Okay, it's only 17 minutes long. The video is only 17 minutes longer now. It's going to be a little bit longer because I need to walk around. So I guess the video is going to end here. Right after I get home. We didn't do that much as usual. But pretty good day. Pretty good day. Pretty good day. Okay. I'm sick for energy tomorrow since I didn't. Oh, never mind. I didn't use all my energy. No. Noah, you did not do that. No. I did not know that could happen. No. Why are there so many trees? Let me through, people. No. I'm not dying today, bro. Damn it. We're right outside my house, bro. There's no way I lost anything. It's not like somebody be robbing me. I lost 1,000 gold from that. Wow, Jojo. It really took you. That much? Oh wait, I found you last night. You were unconscious and someone was searching your pockets. It was my farm. What was somebody doing on my farm last night? They could have done even more. And the worst stuff they did was steal some money. That's all? Bro, they could have took my entire life saving. And they decided to take a few bucks. This game's logic. Why can't I stay up as long as Linus? Because apparently he was up longer than me. Wrong chest, this is not the So, geodes. That. No, this is not the resource chest. This is the resource chest for all my rocks. This plus. Nice. Jamie, you look pretty happy today. Oh, what about you? Did I pay you yet? Yep. Tyrone, you're fine today. No matter what the game says, I will always put 2 ducats in the machine because that's better than regular. I know, guys, I know. Pretty smart. Even though this is like well-known fact. Oh yeah, look how cute they would be on that water, just swimming around, having fun. I have ducks in real life, they're pretty chill people. Pretty chill ducks. That's all really. I don't know. So I guess today's gonna be a clean up farm day because I need a lot more actually, now I don't think I need. I can probably crop like 10 bars today, which is how much that gave me. Gotta make sure everyone is properly taken care of. No. Bruh. Dang. Yes! I broke them. I didn't water any of my crops yesterday, basically. These stay right here. Went and loaned it last night. Why is there just a random potato or whatever that is? Potatoes, let's go. Bruh. Tra-la-la. I would say the community center is one of the hardest things in the game to complete. Okay. Okay. And I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. See you guys all later, and bye.